In today's digital landscape, combining React and AI opens up exciting avenues for generating income. This video will explore how these powerful technologies can enhance your earning potential. By leveraging their capabilities, you can tap into innovative solutions that not only boost your skills but also create lucrative financial opportunities. Understanding React and AI. React is a popular JavaScript library used for building user interfaces, making web development more efficient and interactive. Artificial intelligence, on the other hand, encompasses technologies that enable machines to learn and make decisions. Combining React with AI can lead to innovative applications, creating lucrative opportunities across various industries. Building web applications. To create a web application with React, start by setting up your development environment and creating components. Integrate AI features like chatbots or personalized recommendations to enhance user experience. Successful examples include platforms like Netflix and Spotify, which leverage both React and AI to deliver engaging and tailored experiences. Freelancing opportunities. React and AI developers can find freelancing opportunities on platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr. To attract clients, effectively market your skills through a strong portfolio and engaging profiles. Additionally, research industry standards to set competitive rates, ensuring you reflect your expertise while remaining appealing to potential clients. Creating AI-powered products. To develop AI-powered products, consider ideas like smart personal assistants or predictive analytics tools. User feedback is crucial in refining these applications, ensuring they meet real needs. Successful examples include Google Assistant and Grammarly, which effectively utilize AI to enhance user experience and deliver valuable insights in everyday tasks. Monetization strategies. Monetizing React and AI projects can involve subscription models, one-time purchases, or ad placements. Choosing the right strategy is essential for long-term success and user retention. Case studies like Slack and Canva demonstrate effective monetization, showcasing how tailored approaches can lead to substantial revenue while providing value to users. Networking and community engagement. Networking is vital in the tech industry, especially for React and AI developers. Joining online communities and forums can provide valuable insights and support. Attending tech meetups and conferences fosters connections and collaboration. To build a professional network, engage actively, share knowledge, and follow up with new contacts for opportunities. In summary, React and AI offer immense potential for generating income through innovative projects. We encourage you to explore your own ideas and start building. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share for more content on leveraging technology for financial success. Your journey begins now.